What's up, guys? Welcome back to another day in the vlog. Here with the tank. Just had a nice catering job. But now we're over here in PA hitting Sky King fireworks. We're gonna do a little show tomorrow for 4th of July. Should be pretty good. Hopefully they have a good amount of fireworks left. We haven't did a show since 2016. I don't know if I have any clips or videos, but
Free ice cream.
oh yeah, Grant got a free ice cream. We won't tell anyone. Hit the cow. Yeah, we have to come to PA to get fireworks to shoot in Maryland. Oh, there you are. All right, came out to a nice rainbow. Is there a leprechaun at the?
Should have got 2 of those.
I know the guy hooked us up. They thought it was originally like $381.
Yeah,
But all of a sudden he's like $300. I was like, he said 50% off. You will push. Yeah, that's right. Let me open. We took the trade.
Dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me. I was seizing opportunity. They don't know what to do